Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, Safemoon family. This is Marcos once again on Financial Freedom Investing in Stocks. We currently here sitting at the Safemoon webpage, safemoon.net. We currently have a price of that's 5037929. It might have gone a little up. You know, this website takes a little while to update. We currently hold 2.3 million share holders. I'm sorry, token holders. uh, 581 trillion supply and a market cap of $2 billion. I'm currently a SafeMoon holder. I currently hold over around just over 200 million SafeMoon tokens. We're gonna go here to the blinking product line. We got future products coming out. Remember, in June 15th, we're gonna have the SafeMoon wallet beta testing for just certain amount of people. It says right here, June 15th, sign up. It says on June 15th. Okay, we got the exchange coming out with the wallet and the hardware wallet also coming. Hopefully coming out soon. We're gonna come here to BSC scan. This week was a little bumpy. We had basically two dips. The first dip was we had one of our core team members from SafeMoon leave, and right after he left, one of the wallets, which I'm gonna show you guys right now, the holders. This wallet right here, where it says 26 trillion number 3. This wallet sold off around 2 trillion tokens, like two million something dollars worth. I think this was on Tuesday, something like that. I'm not 100% sure. But I know they sold off 2 trillion tokens. Obviously, well, that's good for us because the whale wallets are going down little by little. This is gonna help us out. Right now, they went down. They were at the high, I think, like 26 trillion tokens. So they just sold over 2 trillion tokens. That's wallet number 3. Now, obviously, the other wallets, we used to have only 2 wallets with 10 trillion. Now we have 4 wallets with 10 trillion. One of them just went up again. I made a video a little earlier this morning. This evening. And there was only 3 of them. Now there's 4 of them. Okay, now this Pancake Swap SafeMoon, I'm not sure if this is like maybe the liquidity wallet or something, part of the team, or this is somebody's wallet. I'm not 100% sure. Okay, that information is not provided here. Okay, so this is the SafeMoon once again. We're gonna go here. There's a lot of action went around this week. We got first of all, one of the oldest news is here is that SafeMoon partners with Simplex to receive payments on the SafeMoon wallet. Okay, so once the SafeMoon wallet comes out, we already secured a partnership with Simplex. They will manage the transactions from your credit cards or your bank account or your debit cards in order to put funds into the SafeMoon wallet, just like Bitmart and Trust Wallet, in order you buy any cryptocurrency or tokens like SafeMoon. Okay, guys? This is a little old. This is from like let me see here, the 510. So basically, almost a month old. Okay, guys. Over here, to Yahoo Finance, they also put it here. SafeMoon partners with Simplex. So this is already confirmed. We already have this information out here. The team also on the one of the AMAs. He also said it. This last weekend, there was not an AMA because they were traveling. They were down in Gambia. This weekend, I'm looking forward. Has to be a jam-packed AMA, hopefully. We might get our hopes up on a real good AMA, but maybe, I'm not. Let's see what they have to say. I know there's a lot of information. A lot of stuff been going on. They're working on a lot of projects. They're really trying to launch this real good, this Safemoon token. They are receiving a lot of FUD out here. I don't know why. What's the wrong with people? But hey, we got to deal with it. I know SafeMoon is it's a good token, and we're gonna keep going up from here. Right now, somebody tweeted over here towards Thomas on Papa. This is from our SafeMoon. This is from the Reddit community. I believe some burn is coming up. Not a big fan of manual burns, but let's see. And well, Thomas here just put a little tweet here. Okay, with just a little fire. Like, you know, maybe there might be a burn coming up, or just synthetic burns, you know, the reflection burns, or they might do a manual burn. We don't know. He doesn't really say much. He's working on other projects, real good projects, okay? But this was just there. I just let you guys know that, you know, he's watching. He's watching. Depending on the comments you guys have out there, he's watching. Okay, guys, he's pretty active. This information is for later. And this basically, I think might go together here. Before that, we're gonna go here. This is Sean Whit Torley, something like that. I'm sorry, I can't pronounce his name right. My apologies. Okay, it says here, this is a little old news also. This is like maybe 3 weeks ago. Hey, Safemoon community, we have heard about the Harmony Protocol Association with Safemoon. Here are some things to know. What's the Harmony Protocol, basically, that we also did like kind of like a partnership. Now, this is going to basically go all together from what I'm going to explain now, of the vision that Thomas Papa is trying to give us little by little tips, and something he might be working on. This is not 100% guaranteed, but a lot of people are going towards this way, that this is basically correct what we trying to accomplish here. Okay, guys? Here are some things to know. Ecosystem provides access to 90 plus validators. Okay, this is from the Harmony here. 15 plus exchanges, 7 fiat gateways, 5 games, NFTs, and more. This is the bridge, the connection to more markets. The bridge, guys, right here. You know how many times Thomas has said it. This is a bridge, okay? This is one of these bridges that they might be constructing in the cryptocurrency towards Safemoon. Okay, guys? Right now, Harmony, you guys can go to the website. We're gonna be able to use their services here to interact with other tokens, I'm guessing, and you could download it. You could probably buy Safemoon off of it. I do not have it. I have not tested it. So, you know, this is around 3 weeks old. Okay, guys? Now, this might go with this right here. I want to impress on everyone. This migration is 186,919 BNB and 22 trillion Safemoon. This says here from today, but this is from a day ago. I think this was done on Thursday or Friday. This is why we also had maybe another dip. People got afraid. The paper hands, they got scared. They started selling. People started saying FUD. Oh, the team is breaking apart. The team is leaving. Rug pull, this and that. A bunch of stupid stuff people started saying. If you see FUD, you smash it down. Here it goes. He's saying it right here. If you see FUD, you smash it down, because in this house, we support the people. Let's go. Okay, it's from Papa. He tweeted this out on the Reddit community. Okay, and then I don't know if this has anything to do with it or not. But this also came out here. As we can see, it says today at 7 p.m. It says 1 day ago. I'm not really sure the dates. These are out of order. It says here 1 day ago, and down here it says 11 hours ago. It says Thomas, Papa's calendar. This is him. He wrote this down here. Papa's calendar goes straight from March 31st to April 2nd, because nobody fools Papa. Okay, this is April Fools falls on the 1st normally, and that's why he's saying this. April Fools, nobody's gonna fool Papa. Okay, but then down here somebody asked him here, what does the transfer of liquidity mean? He's talking about this right here. This liquidity, this transfer that they did of liquidity. Okay, which we don't know if this transfer was maybe for the blockchain they're working with, supposedly, or it's for our the Safemoon wallet. We not 100% sure. They might give us, maybe they might tell us on the AMA tomorrow, on Sunday the 6th. They might let us know what's this about. Like, they might not tell us what's about, because they're still working on it. Okay, guys? So they told him this here, the liquidity, why's this? And then he wrote right here, no rug pull. Okay, guys? So this goes over for the FUD. The people out here saying FUD right here. If you see FUD, you smash it down. This is for the FUDsters here saying, oh, this is going to work. It's a scam, this and that. Well, he right around here, Papa replied, no rug pull. That's what it means. Another liquidity wallet. They might have different types of liquidity wallet depending what exchange they might work on. or working with to have that liquidity in each of those exchanges. Okay, guys. Now, right here, okay, the people go back and forth here. There's more information. This might have to all this, like I said, all this goes together. Okay, guys. This goes together. This goes together. This is number one. Then this is number two. I'm putting it, this way, like basically, and this is number three right here. Okay, this is from yesterday at 8:41 p.m., 8:43 p.m. People responded to him. This is from 8:38 p.m. This is a little drawing. Somebody made a little drawing. We don't know who it is. It says here, Deadly Free reply. This is from Papa. Holy shit, we have a segment in the crowd. Legit. Okay? So somebody made this up, and he said that, and he says, this crypto Dino tells us something that we make that will make us happy. Papa replied, I just did. Okay, he's talking about, I guess, this right here. Someone knows Phoenix. Obviously, his background, I'm going to just call it Phoenix. Someone knows Phoenix. So he's replying to this right here, okay, this little drawing here. And here goes Papa, that he's shocked. Oh, girl. Right here. He's like, oh, my God, somebody figured it out. It seems like somebody figured this out right here. Safemoon blockchain. Okay, guys? Here it goes. A nice, clear picture of the Safemoon blockchain. And who we have here? Harmony. Right here, the first one. If I'm not mistaken, this is Cardano. And this is Ether. And this one, I'm not sure who was that one. I'm sorry to say that, guys. But right now, remember, we secured a partnership with these guys. Right here, it says right here, Safemoon Community, Harmony Protocol, Association with Safemoon. We have it right there, okay? So this is one of the legs. This is one of the bridge. They're always talking about, oh, the bridge. All the photos of the bridge on Twitter, on Reddit, on Discord, on YouTube, on everybody's talking about bridges, Facebook, everything, all the bridges. Well, right here, this is the plan. This is the bridges. We're gonna bridge into all these maybe exchanges, all these services, all these companies that provide services, these apps that have multiple tokens, cryptos, coins, whatever. We basically gonna bridge them together through us, through Safemoon, through our blockchain. Okay, guys. All these little tokens that are appearing around here, they're gonna most likely. The plan is maybe they might go through us to the almighty crowd. You got some people here, 5%, 5%. It says right here, 5%, 5%. Then 5% to the bridge, and who gets all that 10%? Basically, the 5% of all these shares being bought and sold. Who gets them? The Safemoon holders, guys, right here. That's us. If we hold in Safemoon, I'm one of them. I've always said it. I hold Safemoon. I have over 200 million shares of Safemoon. Okay, guys? I like to be clear in that. I'm not doing this to pump and dump. I'm just providing you guys information of what's going on. This is a weekly recap I'm doing here, okay? Of what's been going on for the last couple of weeks. Okay? So Sunday the 6th, we have an AMA. We got to pay attention to that. I'm going to make a video after that AMA explaining it in English and Spanish, because I have, I've got people of both languages that are interested in this. Okay, guys? So right here's the blockchain. Everybody's going to go through Safemoon. This is the plan. It says Safemoon, Safemoon, Safemoon. These are the bridges. And somebody referenced this on I think it was on Twitter or Reddit. Like right here, let's say that this was Manhattan and New York City. Manhattan, New York City. Okay, and just the island of Manhattan, if you don't have a bridge or a tunnel, there's no access to that island. There's no access. You can't get to Brooklyn. Brooklyn can't reach New Jersey. New Jersey can't reach Staten Island. Staten Island can't reach Brooklyn or the Bronx. Nothing. Okay, so we basically in the middle of the island, and we're gonna make a bridge over here for Brooklyn, for the Bronx, for New Jersey, for Staten Island. We're gonna unite it all. Basically, and everybody got to go through us to go from one corner to the other, and we're gonna charge all these fees, the tolls. Let's put them like that, like somebody said it. These are tolls, so we're gonna be charging all these tolls, all these fees. We're gonna get them as reflection, okay, guys? Safemoon is gonna be big, guys. If this works out the way they want it to work out, this Safemoon is going to be big. Remember, there's a lot of copycats out there, man. Everybody's going, basically saying that they're going to do what Safemoon is doing. Everybody's watching, oh, what Safemoon is doing first. Okay, I'm going to copy that. I'm going to create a token and say we're doing that too. Just like right now, all these crypto apps, they coming out now with their own cards. Nobody was talking about cards. Nobody. Nobody in the crypto community or tokens or coins or whatever, nobody was talking about cards or giving you rewards or giving you dividends or free tokens. Nobody. Safemoon started. Everybody started saying, oh, that's a scam. Oh, that's a pyramid scheme. Oh, that's a rug pull, this and that. Why? Because everybody was scared of this. This is why. Everybody's scared of this change that Safemoon is recreating the crypto market, okay, to help us, the holders, out. This is why everybody was saying this is a scam and all that, okay? This is big, guys. Everybody's copying them. Everybody. Now, everybody's coming out with these cards. When Safemoon was the first one that mentioned a card. Now, everybody wants a card. Now, all these crypto apps are going to get cards now. And one more thing, I don't have it here. Crypto.com, supposedly on their exchange there, you can see Safemoon on listed there. Okay, so we might be working with that also, that we might be listed in Crypto.com, guys. It's not 100% secure or nothing. We on their platform, it shows it, Safemoon, but you cannot buy or sell any Safemoon on it. But they're already. And people have tweeted, you know, oh, are we Safemoon going to go to Crypto.com? And the only thing that Crypto.com says, oh, we working on it, guys. So Safemoon is going to be big, guys, okay? I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to do with your money. But if you could spend $25, $50 going on a weekend drinking and eating out, that means you could get $25 or $50 and put it into Safemoon and forget about it. $25, $50, that will get you between maybe, 2, 3, up to maybe 8 million tokens, okay? And you just let it sit there. It's going to get reflections over time. And when you least expect it, Safemoon goes up to a penny, 2 pennies, maybe 10 cents, maybe 30 cents, 40 cents. Hey, Dogecoin went up to 72 cents, guys, in a matter of 3 weeks? We never know, okay? You never know. Safemoon has a lot of good stuff coming down the pipeline, okay? The team is active. They're working real hard. They're working real good. They have a nice game plan. One of our team members left. And we just got another guy here. I think is John's Carney brother or something like that. I'm not sure if maybe it's his son or something. I don't know. It says Charles here. Carney. Okay? He's a new guy. This is Papa, man. This is the brain right here. This is the horseman, man. Okay, and this guy, he's working on the web development, so he's good there too, okay? I guess each of them has their expertise in a certain area, okay, guys? I appreciate your time, guys. Have a nice evening. Have a nice weekend. Hopefully we have a green week this coming up week. Thank you for watching me. This is Marcos once again in Financial Freedom Investing in Stocks. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. See you next time.